Hi, welcome to the how to view of Vtiger Asterisk Connector. In this video, I will show you how to install module in Vtiger Asterisk Connector. Vtiger Asterisk Connector lets you dial, accept and hang up your call inside CRM. Before getting into installation, you need to make sure that you have Asterisk version 1.8 or above or 11 point above, and your Vtiger CRM should be in version 6 point above. If you use any other version, please contact our support team. Now let's start to install. First, we are going to install the module in Vtiger CRM. Go to CRM settings in Vtiger. Click on modules and select import module from zip. Enable the checkbox and select from my computer. Here, choose the downloaded module file and click on open. Select the import button and then select import now. Now the module started installing. Here is the module successfully installed. You can see it under the module section. Now let's start to install the Vtiger CRM Asterisk Connector package. We need to install the Asterisk Connector on the same server where Asterisk is running. Go to your terminal and set the path where you installed the package. Now start unzip the package. Open the folder Vtiger CRM Asterisk Connector. And give the command sudo space chmod space u+x space install.sh. Next, give the command sudo space /install.sh. Now we have to start the service. For that, give the command sudo space service.space Vtiger -agis space start. Then give the next command sudo space service space Vtiger -webpack start. That's all. We installed the module successfully and started the service. Next, we have to configure Vtiger Asterisk Connector. Watch the video is in the link in the description to configure Vtiger Asterisk Connector. Thank you for watching.